Hi, my name is Louis Poli. I am the owner and head chef at Miyo's restaurant.
Hi, my name is Lauren Torrey. I am the manager here at Miyo's restaurant.
Today we'd like to thank all of you for supporting us at Miyo's through this pandemic. We would like to give all of you a gift by teaching you how to make our famous dish, Squid and Eggplant. Okay, so we're going to start off with our teriyaki sauce. 1 cup shoyu, 1 cup brown sugar, half a cup of mirin. Put it in a pot. Cook it low on simmer heat for 30 minutes. We're going to heat up our pan, put regular canola oil, sesame seed oil, get it nice and hot. Put our eggplant in, skin side down. Add our part frozen squid on top of the eggplant. Cover it up, let it steam out. Lift the cover up, you'll notice that the squid is done. You add the green onions on top. Finish off with 2 ounces of teriyaki sauce and hot pepper. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy making this for your family at home. Just remember, the main ingredient is love. Thank you for you guys' continued support of Miyo's restaurant, and I can't wait to see you guys back at the restaurant.